Whoa. Although we have lots to declutter in this playroom, we're just gonna declutter Paw Patrol today.
No, don't.
Yes.
No.
All right, you ready, William?
Yes.
You don't play with this anymore, so let's put this in the no pile.
Actually, it's just to play with it.
We're gonna create a yes and a no pile. Okay? I'm just gonna start grabbing things that I never see you guys play with. Okay? I mean, look at all this, guys. This is a little crazy. How about this whole tub over here? You guys don't even touch that. That's all going. Yeah, all this is going. Lots of cars in there. A couple trains. We'll keep some of the cars.
No, flashlight.
You see what I'm doing? See, you just tripped over all that. Alright, look at our no pile so far. Look, now we made room.
Mama, I need it.
Look, now we made room for the fire station / the dog's house. And then how about these containers we can put the Paw Patrol in? Because I don't think there's anything in there. Yeah, there's hardly anything in these things. Okay.
Flashlight for you to see.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so move that. Move that. Move this over a little so kids don't go down the stairs. Do you want to keep this?
There's no way to take out
You
the
guys don't even
stairs.
touch this.
No, it's Crystal.
I know, but I've never even seen her touch that.
But
What about the jungle Paw Patrol? Do you guys touch that?
I want it. I want it. I want it even though I don't touch it.
Well, then why do you want it?
Because one day I'll play with it.
One day.
Yeah.
Oh, brother. All right, what about the Mighty Tower? Can we get rid of it?
No?
Well, don't you want the new Mighty Tower?
Yeah.
So can we get,
That's
Oh,
not,
finding
that's
stuff in there,
not
like-
my towel.
what is it?
It's a workout.
Okay, can we get rid of it?
Yeah!
Wow, no way.
I'm playing with it right now.
You're really playing with it? Show me. Wow, that looks real nice.
I was playing with it before.
So you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, what about the fire truck, Marshall?
No, that's James. He lost all the pieces.
What? We're gonna stop losing all these pieces. Okay, let's put all the Paw Patrol in these drawers, okay?
La 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 la.
Should we recycle?
No, it says we do not recycle too. It says we do not recycle.
Oh, that was so
It
sweet.
says we not
Hello! Wow! Happy feet, happy feet, happy feet.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Let's take a look.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Wow! Oh, Look, you guys are actually playing with it. Oh, hey, the lookout tower can go in that corner. Here, look, this can go right there. The old shirt back there. Look, that can now fit in that corner perfectly. What about that sky?
Oh yeah, it goes in.
Whoa, does that fit?
Yeah, it's
Wow. Look how nice this looks. See? Doesn't that look fun? And we're still blocking off the stairs. That's good. So you got the fire station for all the pups, the lookout tower, and then we actually filled those bins with Paw Patrol toys. That's perfect. Good job, guys. And then this is our no pile. Look, we cleared that out. We cleared the bin out. That goes to something else. And then these are just toys they don't play with anymore. So we're gonna get rid of those. Maybe my sister-in-law, my two sister-in-laws have little boys, so maybe they want those toys. All right. Good job, guys. William, I'm proud of you. Thanks for helping me.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Oh, help sister pull that out. All right, bye. See you guys later. Another day of decluttering. Another day. Feels good. Oh, but now we got all this to do.
This was bad.
Oh, brother. One day at a time. That's all I tell myself.